Hi, good evening to all. This is Ninath Bishungi. If you are seeing for the first time my channel, so subscribe my channel, and if you like it, share it to others. So we can start next lesson. It is surface areas and volumes. Surface areas and volumes. So as you know that some more we have to find the surface areas of the that solid. So solid is nothing that in the form of cuboid like that different types of solids. So as they given in the first four figures, that one. So this is cuboid. This is cuboid. Then second one is cone. Second one is cone. Then third one, it is cylinder. It is cylinder. Then fourth shape is sphere. Sphere, cylinder. So these are the different types of solids. So we have to find the total surface of the area of that solid. So if you take the first one, it is cuboid, the next one is cone, then it is cylinder, and it is in the shape of sphere. So sphere, if we cut it into half pieces, it will become hemisphere. Half means hemisphere. Hemisphere. So as they given in the first diagram that one. You must have seen a truck with a container fitted on its back carrying oil or water. So water tanker like that you have seen. No? So it is taking from one place to another place. If you see that solid, if you it will come to the mind that it is made up of cylinder and with two hemispheres at the ends. So if you see same like that as 15.3 diagram, the test tube. So test tube will be like it is a cylinder and the one area of base at the hemisphere. So similarly, while traveling, you have may seen but big and beautiful buildings or monuments made up of a combination of solids. So in this chapter, we will first study the different types of solids combining. So if for some reason you wanted to find the surface areas or volumes or capacitors of such objects, how would you do it? We cannot classify this under any of these solids you have already studied. With that in this chapter, you will see how to find the surface areas and volumes of such objects. So you have to find the surface areas and volumes. First, I will go to surface areas. Surface areas. In that one, they given the 15.4 example they given. If you want to find the surface area of this solid, so first we have to break that into two parts. It is containing hemisphere and also cylinder. So that is example for truck one. So first diagram. In that, if you consider the surface of the newly found object, we would be able to see only the curved surface of the two hemispheres and the curved surface of the cylinder. So if you see this one, see this first part. Then cylinder. See cylinder. Then one more hemisphere. One more hemisphere. So hemisphere is half of the circle. So it is the sphere surround is there. So this is half will be hemisphere. These are the two hemispheres and this is the cylinder. So for the finding the surface area means we have to find out these two curved surface area of two hemispheres plus curved surface of cylinder. So when you calculate these two, you will get the total surface area of the that solid. Like that, the given that one curved surface of two hemisphere I will taken. So one hemisphere and another one hemisphere. Then curved surface of cylinder. So as well as that in the second example they given, it is based on toy. So if you take the second example, it is in the form of cone. First one is cone. Then second one is hemisphere. So if you split that one, so second is hemisphere. Then so first one is cone and second one is hemisphere. So it is made up of two combination of solids. Then for to find out this total surface area of this toy, if you take this one and this one, so combine this one. When you combine this one, the second figure that is showing no last figure, that one is toy. With that will be, this will be common for both. So this will be become like this: cone and hemisphere. This is cone, upside is cone and downside is hemisphere. So when you split this two, you will get that like first and second diagram. And if you combine this one, you will get the last image, that will be hemisphere and cone. So both hemisphere and cone will be calculated. So for that one, second one, the total surface area of toy is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. So like that they given 4 examples. So I will first one I will teach you, first one and second one. So in the first example, Rashid got a plain top as his birthday present, which surprisingly had no color on it. He wanted to color it with his crayons. The top is shaped like a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. The entire top is 5 cm in height and the diameter of the top is 3.5 cm. Find the area he has to color. So as given in the example, this is cone. Then so this is gift Rashid got that one plain top. Then as his brother present, then he has to color it. So if you want to color it, means the total they given height is 5 cm. This height is 5 cm. Total height is 5 cm. In that, and diameter of the top, this is top, so diameter of this top, this diameter will be the given as 3.5. So this is 5 cm and the top of the diameter is 3.5. Then you have to find out find the area as to color. So you have to color means you have to make the total surface area of that toy. So to find out the total surface area for this one, total surface area of toy is equal to curved surface area of this one cone plus cone, then curved surface area of hemisphere. So this will be curved surface of cone is given by formula pi RL. So pi RL, L is the slant height and R is the radius of the curve. Then plus this is curved surface of hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere formula is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Then pi means, as you know, that is 22/7 into r means this is total height, this one 5 and diameter is 3.5, means the radius will become 3.5 by 2. So radius will be 3.5 by 2. Then you have to calculate L. So for L there is one formula, that is root of r square plus h square. So height of the cone. So height of the cone means this much only. This is total height of this toy. So total height of the cone will become 5 minus 3.5 by 2. So height is equal to 5 minus 3.5 by 2, because this is total 5 and this is diameter given. We have to take radius, so radius will be 3.5 by 2. This will give you 5 minus 3.5 by 2, 3.25 centimeter. Then r square plus s square. So L slant is equal to r square plus s square. So r square we know that 3.5 by 2, 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 plus 3.25 whole square, 3.25 whole square. So this will give you, so it is 3.5 by 2 whole square, then 3.25 whole square. This will give you approximately, if you calculate this one, you will get 3.7 centimeter. It is approximately 3.5 by 2 means it is radius because it is given diameter. Then, so you got the L, so you got the L value, R you know, then for pi, then R also you know radius of the cone. Then, so if you calculate this one, 22 by 7, 3.5 by 2, then L is 3.7 in plus 2 pi 22 by 7 into R is 3.5 by 2, 3.5 by 2. So this is 2 pi r square, this is pi r. So L is equal to r square plus s square. So R is 3.5 by 2 plus h is 3.25. We got the 3.25 as a h value because h is equal to 5 minus 3.5 by 2, then 3.25. Then this one whole answer is 3.7 centimeter. So this will be 2 pi r square means 3.5 by 2. This is 3.7. So you got all of the values. If you substitute in that way, so 2 into 22 by 7, 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7, 3.5 by 2, 3.5 by 2. Then that of hemispherical part, that is 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 into 3.7. 3.7 is nothing but the L value. So h is the height of this height. This is total height is 5 centimeter, but only the height of the cone we have taken means it will be 5 minus 3.5 by 2. So you got the answer. When we calculate that one, we will get answer as 39.6 centimeter square. So this is approximately. So if we get 39, it is okay. So 39.6 centimeter whole square. I am not doing calculation, I am directly writing this one. Second example. Second example. Second example, it is based on the given so second example, the given cuboid, so cube, the given cube this is cube, then middle in that for one of its sides, side it is mounted by hemisphere. So this is the hemisphere. So this is the cube and it is mounted by hemisphere. The total that given in 13.7, it is made up of two sides, that cube and hemisphere. This is cube and this is hemisphere. In that the base of the block is cube with edge 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Edge of the cube is 5 centimeter. So all side will be equal only because cube is there. Then and the hemisphere fixed on the top as a diameter. So this is the diameter. diameter they have 4.2. It is not the radius, they given diameter is given, that is 4.2. Then find the total surface area of the block. For this one, surface area of the block. So if we want to calculate, means this will be curved surface area of cube. Curved surface. Total surface area. Total surface cube there. So you have to take total surface area of this cube. Total surface area of cube, then plus this hemisphere, that is curved surface of hemisphere. Minus base area of hemisphere. So this will be total surface of cube, means the formula is the total surface area of cube is 6a cube. 6, that is 6a square. 6 into a square. A is then what? This is 5 only. Then plus curve of hemisphere with this one. So it is diameter to 4.2. That will be 2.1. So formula is 2 by r square. That will be r is here 2 pi r square. That is the 4.2. 4.2 divided by 2, because we are writing r. So square minus base area. So it is the base area. This one base area will be pi r square. So if we take this one as 2 pi r square, this is pi r square. This will give 6a square plus 2 pi, and 2 pi r square minus pi r square is pi r square. So this will is equal to 6 into a square is 5 is there. 5 square is 25 minus this is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7 into r they given 4.2 by 2. So it will be 2.1 square. This will give you 6 into 25, 150. Then plus minus, plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square is pi r square, so plus, so 150 plus this one 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.1, this will give you 13.86. So total value will be 163.86 centimeters square. So you got the value. The total surface of this block is total surface of cube plus curved surface area of hemisphere and minus base of this hemisphere. Because we want only hemisphere, no? So you have to, it is cube is included with this base of area of hemisphere. Then third one. A wooden toy rocket is in the shape of a cone mounted on a cylinder as shown in the figure 15.8. So if you see the figure, this is cylinder. Then it is cone. So it is a wooden toy rocket. In that, the height of the entire rocket. So the height of the entire rocket is this one. This will be 26. Total is 26. In that, when the height of the conical part is 6 cm. This is conical. So this will be 6. This will be 6. This will be from here to here. It is 6. Then the base of the conical portion has a diameter of 5 cm. So the diameter of this one is, diameter will be 5 cm. Then by the base diameter of cylindrical portion. So cylindrical portion is given 3 cm. So D is equal to 3 cm. This is cylinder. That is cone. Then it is cone. So if the conical portion is to be painted orange and the cylindrical portion yellow, find the area of the rocket painted with each of these colors. So the cone means this is triangle shape and this one round. So this is the cone and cylinder is this one part is the cylinder. So this has to be made yellow cylindrical and cone will be made up of orange. So if we find the separate surface area of that one, so area of painted orange, it is orange they told for conical. So you have to take conical. So curved surface of cone, then plus base area of the cone, minus the base area of cylinder, So area of you have to first you have to paint this one orange, means this is cone only. So cone means it is made up of this area of base of cylinder. So we don't want this one. So only you have to take this one curved surface area of cone. So curved surface area of cone plus base area of this is the base area of cone, and this one minus means this small part is the base area of cylinder. Then you will get the surface of cone is pi rl. Then base area of cone is round, so it is pi r square. Base area of cone is pi r square minus, we are having the two dimensions because one is cone and another one is cylinder. So I will take this one as r dash, pi r dash square. So pi r plus pi r square minus pi into r dash square. So pi r means, so you have to first find out the which are the radius. So this is radius of the cone. So it is 2.5 because 5 is there. Then height of the cone is, this is 26, this is 6. Height will be 20. This is our cone. Then 20 centimeter. Slant height. So slant height is equal to slant height means L. This will be L is equal to r square plus h square. So this will give you r is 2.5 whole square plus h is 20 square. No, h is 26 minus, that is height of the cylinder. So height of the cone I am taking 6 it is. So 6 square. So this will give you total answer 6.5 centimeter. So when you do the 2.5 whole square is 6.25 plus 36. So it will be 36 plus 6.25. That will give you 6.5 centimeter. Then we got the L. So you put the values pi RL. So pi R you take common. Pi you have to take common to both this one. So remaining is R. R means radius of the cone. So you are writing about cone only. So pi R square means R means 2.5. L means 6.5 plus pi you taken common. So R square, R is 2.5. Then minus pi is taken common. R dash means this one, second one. It is the area of cylinder, base area of cylinder, that is pi r square. That R is values 3 means 1.5. So half of 3 is 1.5. 1.5 whole square. This will give you pi into 2.5 into 6.5 plus 2.5 whole square minus 1.5 whole square. This will give answer you pi into 20.25. So pi value they given as 3.14. So if you take 3.14 as this one into 20.25, you will get the answer as 63.585 centimeter square. So you got the 63.585 centimeter square. Then like that, area of painted yellow. So yellow means this is cylinder. So you are writing then cylinder, area of painted yellow, that is cylinder. Cylinder, that will be curved surface area of cylinder. Then this is got. So then area of the base. So it is included this one. No? So area of the base of the area of base of cylinder. Area of base of cylinder. So this will give you area of pentagonal. This is cylinder I'm talking. This is cone. This is cone. This is about cone, and this is about cylinder. So area of pentagonal is equal to cylinder curved surface of cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Then it is plus base area. This is pi r square. Pi r dash empty. So pi r square. So 2 pi r h means if you take common pi r, so 2 pi r dash, this one r dash and h dash, because this height is related to cylinder. So 2 pi r h, so pi r dash we can take common. This will remains 2h plus r dash. This is h dash. So pi r dash. So this will 3.14 into r dash means this one cylinder I'm talking. So cylinder is 3 centimeters. So 1.5. So 1.5. Then into 2 into h dash. H dash is height of cylinder. This is height of cone. This is height of cylinder means this minus this will be 20. So 20 is the height of cylinder. So 20. Then this is 2. 20 into 2. Plus R1. So R1 is here. R dash this is 1.5. 1.5 whole square. 1.5 whole square. This will give you 3.4 into 1.5 into 20 plus 2 into 20 plus 1.5 whole square. 1.5 whole square. So R dash is this. So R dash means we have taken R dash as common here. So 1.5 into 1.5, that will give you approximately 195.465 centimeters square. 195.465 centimeters. For the calculation, you have to throw with the tables. Then only you get the calculation easy and fast. 195.465 centimeters. So like that, if you see the fourth one, man made a bird bath for his garden in shape of cylinder with hemisphere depletion at one end. The height of the cylinder is 1.45 meter and its radius is 30 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the bird bath. So as they given the diagram, the total height of the cylinder. So total height of the cylinder is 1.45. In that radius, so this is radius that is related to hemisphere, that is centimeter they given. Radius is 30 centimeter. So we have to find this 2 means we have to take curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface of hemisphere. So you know the curved surface of cylinder is nothing but 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Then plus curved surface of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r plus h. So you will get the total surface of the bird bath as 2 into 20/7. That r is they given directly 30 centimeters. So 30 and 145 because they given 1.45 meter and 30 centimeter. So 1.45 meter and 30 centimeter. So either you make this one to centimeter or this one make to meter. So you have to keep the same. You have to see keep this same this one meter or centimeter. So 1.5 meter means it will be into 100 means 14.145. So this is 30. So 145 plus 30 is 175. Then you, if you do the calculation, you will get the 33,000 centimeter square. So next exercise. In that exercise 15.1, in that first one, the given two cubes of each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So two cubes are joined. So this is one cube. So they told two cubes. Then If you extend this one, then two cubes, no? So one cube this one. So second cube, if we extend this one, we get the second cube. So this will be so this is made of two cubes. Actually, my diagram is not clear, good. So please excuse me for that. So two cubes you have found it. Then they told each of volume is 64 centimeters. So each volume is 64 centimeter cube. So volume of cube is equal to A cube is equal to they given 64. So we got the A value as 4. So cube root of 64 is 4. So 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. We got the this one as 4 centimeter. This is length 4. This is also breadth. Oh. So 4 centimeter. In that each side becomes 4. This is also 4 centimeter. So total height is this one to this one. So it is also 4. This is also 4. So total will be 8. This is the height. This is the height. So they told you to find out the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Because two cubes there, no? So it is cuboid. Then find the surface area. Surface area means surface area of cuboid. So formula is 2 pi 2 into LB BH plus HB BH HL. So that will be 2 into, so LB means length into breadth and breadth into height and height into length. So LB means here 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8, then 8 into 4. This will give you 2. 4 into 4 is 16 plus 4 into 8 is 32 and this is also 32. This will give you 2 into 16 plus 32. 32 plus 32 is 64. This is 80. So 80 into 2 is 160 centimeter square. So the total curved surface area of the cuboid is 160 centimeter square. Second formula that, so in that you have to add the formula that is total surface, the given total surface of the cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. As you studied in the last year, that is formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Then second one, a vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 cm and the total height of the vessel is 13 cm. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. So this is the hemisphere. It is mounted by hollow cylinder. So hollow cylinder. So this is hollow cylinder. This is the hemisphere. Then they given total height. Total height means this one. Total height they given as, the total height of the vessel is 13 cm. This is total is 13 cm. Then diameter of the hemisphere. This is the hemisphere. So diameter of the hemisphere means the given total hemisphere has 14 centimeters. So hemisphere 14 centimeter means this will be r is equal to 7. So this will be total diameter they given, that is 14. So if you convert that one into radius, it will be 7 centimeter. So this will be 7 centimeter. This total is 13 and this is the 7 centimeter is the hemisphere of that part and the remaining is cylinder. Then they told you to find out curved surface area of the vessel. So for this one you have to take curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. So curved surface of hemisphere, as I know that the formula is 2 pi r h. Then curved surface of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi, if you take common, rh plus 2 pi you can take common. So r plus h. 2 pi r square. So 2 pi formulas r plus h. So okay, r plus h. So this will give you 2 pi r. 2 pi into r is the given. R is equal to, we find out that 7 plus height of the, we are taking the this one cylinder and hemisphere, that will give you so 2 pi r plus pi r square. Then so height of the cylinder will be, height of the cylinder this one, this is 7 and this is 13. So 13 minus 7 is 6. This height is 6. So for the height we can take, so we can take this one as 2 pi h. 2 pi h we can write as 2 into 22 by 7. R is radius, that of radius is 7. Then h is 6 plus 2 into 22 by 7. So this r is related to hemisphere. So hemisphere r is given 7. So 7. This will give 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 because r square is there. So you have to take 7. 1 7 will be get cancelled. Here also 1 7 will be get cancelled. Then you will get the 2 into 22 into 6 plus 2 into 22 into 7. This will give you total answer 572 centimeter cube. 572. The curved surface of the vessel will be the area of the hemisphere and the curved surface area of the hemisphere plus curved surface area of this cylinder. So cylinder is, this height is 6. So I have taken height as 6 and r is 7. R is 7 means because they given this is the radius of that one. So it is 7 centimeter. Then this is related to hemisphere is 7 centimeter because they given diameter 14. It will be 7 into 7. Then 2 pi r h. So 7 into 6. 7 y means r is 7 here. Then 6 is nothing but this height. Height you have to take. So height is the, that will be 17 minus 7. This will give you 6. 572 centimeter square. This is not volume. This is the curved surface area. So in this lesson we have to know the compulsory formulas. So in that third one, a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 cm mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 cm. Find the total surface area of the toy. So this is cone, then it is included by hemisphere. So this is hemisphere, this is the cone. Then the given total height is in the form of cone of radius 3.5 and the total height of the toy. So total height of the toy. So this total height is the given 15.5. So 15.5 centimeter. and in that cone of radius, this is the cone of radius, so radius they given 3.5. So it is known as, this will be radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter, mounted on a hemisphere of a same radius. Same radius means this is also hemisphere. So this r is equal to 3.5 centimeter only. So find the total surface area of the toy. So we have to find the total surface. So total surface area will be curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. So this will give you curved surface of a cone is given by formula pi RL plus curved surface of hemisphere is 2 pi r squared. So for this one we know pi value, that is 22 by 7 or 3.14. R means this radius they given as 3.5 because both radius is same. Then L means slant height. So slant height we have to find out by the formula r square plus h square root of. So root of r is 3.5 whole square plus h. So height means this one. So height of the cone means the total is 15.5 and this radius is 3.5. So it will give 12 square. This will give root of 3.5 whole square is 12.25 plus 144. This will give you 156.25. So total of 156.5 is 12.5 centimeter. So if you multiply 12.5 3 times, you will get the 156.25 because it is in the square. 12.5 into 12.5. If you multiply, you will get the 156.25. So you got the L value as 12.5. Then we have to substitute this one. So 22 by 7. R is 3.5. So for R both is same only. Hemisphere also same. Cone also same. Then 3.5. So H is 12.5, 2 pi RL, so pi RL, then 2 pi R square, 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 3.5 whole square. So this will give you, after calculation you will get the answer as 214.5 centimeters square. So if you calculate this one 22 by 7 into 3. So 7 and 35 in the same table, so 7 into 0.5, so into 0.5 yet. So into 0.5, 12.5 into 22, then 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 3.5 whole square, so 3.5 into 3.5, that when you do the calculation you get the 214.5 centimeters square. Fourth one, the given cubical block of side 7 cm is surmounted by a hemisphere. So this is cubical. So it is surmounted by hemisphere. So here hemisphere. So it is surmounted by hemisphere. Then a cubical block of side is 7. So this side is 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Then what is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have, and find the surface area of the solid. So surface area of the solid. So this will be equal to curved surface area of cuboid, no total surface. Curved surface area of hemisphere plus surface area of cube minus area of base of hemisphere. So what we included is cuboidal. Then in this surrounded by hemisphere. So cubical block of side. So side is 7 centimeter. In that, what is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can? This is the hemisphere. The greatest side can have, and find the surface area of the solid. So surface area of the solid is given by. So first we have to take surface area means third surface area of this one hemisphere. Then plus surface area of cube. Surface area of total cube. Then minus area of base of hemisphere. So this is the base. We have to subtract from that one. So you get the total surface of the solid. So for this one, curved surface of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus surface area of cube. Surface area of cube is 6a square minus area of base. This one base, that is area of base is pi r square. So this will give you 2 into 22 by 7. R is nothing but here 7 is there. So 7 means the half 7 is there. So 7 centimeter is the edge, and radius will become 3.5 because total is 7. Then plus 6 into a is 7, so 7 square minus 22 by 7 into this is given as how much? Greatest diameter of the hemisphere is of the length of the cube, that is 7 centimeter. Then pi r square. So here r is 6a square 2 pi r square pi r square. So pi r square is nothing but 3.5 is there, no? So 3.5 into 3.5. So this will give you. So you can take 20 by 7 common also like that. Then 3.5 also and 3.5 also as common. So 2 pi r square minus pi r square is, you can write pi r square directly. If not, 2 into 22 by 7 3.5 whole square. Then 6 into 7 square minus 22 by 7 3.5 into 3.5. You can directly, you can first this one, you have to 2 pi r square minus pi r square will give pi r square plus 6 square. The total value will be, after this calculation you will get the 332.5 centimeter square. Then fifth problem. Fifth one, a hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. So the given hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block. So cubical so this will be cubical. In that hemispherical depression is cut out. Depression means it is on the downside. So this is hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. So this is the edge of the cube. So this they given as L. Edge of the cube is L, that is the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the diameter L of the hemisphere. For this one it is also L, diameter is L. So after that, determine the surface area of the remaining solid. So this is L. So total surface area equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus and the total surface area of cube. Total surface area of cube. So this will be CS of hemisphere. So hemisphere is there. So that diameter is L. So curved surface of hemisphere is given by 2 pi r square. Then total surface area of cube is 6a square. So a is nothing but side here, that is the edge. They given as L. So 2 pi. So they given diameter is L. But if you want to take radius, means radius will be L by 2. So L by 2 whole square plus 6 into this is A is this one L. So L square. So this will give you 2 pi into L square divided by 2 square is 4 plus 6L square. So if you take the common L square, so remaining is 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 2 pi L square by 4. So here 2 pi into L square is L square, so L square common is 2 pi by 4, 2 pi by 4 plus 6. So this will give you L square. If you take the LCM, 2 pi by 4 plus remaining 6. So 4 into 6 is 24. 24 plus it is 2 pi divided by 4 square units. So this cubical wooden block, that in that one spherical dish is cut out. After that diameter is the L. So diameter is L means radius will be L by 2. So radius will be L by 2. Like that the given cubical. So cubical of the surface, total surface area is 6 square. So A is nothing but here L. So 6L square, 2 pi L by 2 whole square. Then total surface, okay. Here I left now, minus area of base of the hemisphere, minus hemisphere. So this will be pi r square. So 2 pi r square is the same. 1 pi r square is what you have to add it. So this will be so 2 pi r square minus pi r square will give you pi r square. So this will be pi L by 2 whole square plus 6L square. So if you take the square common, then you will get pi by 4 plus 6. This will give you L square. This is 24 plus 5 by 4. So square units. So we check it. L square 24 plus 5 divided by 4. So square units, because in this we have to minus this area of, this is the area of base of hemisphere, we have to take that minus, remaining is curved surface of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, then total surface area of cube is 6L square, because L is diameter here, so radius will be d by 2, so d is L by 2, so L by 2 square is L by 4. Then your calculation will get the L square into 24 plus 5 divided by 4 square units. Then sixth one, they given in the diagram that a medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder. So this is the capsule. Then capsule, total distance is this one, 14 mm. So the total, the given in the question, the length of the entire capsule, the entire capsule length is 14 mm, and in that the diameter of the capsule, so the diameter of the capsule, this is 5 mm. After that, find its surface area. So you have to find out surface area. So here they given how many hemispheres? With 2 hemispheres, to each of its ends. So this will be total surface area will be curved surface area of cylindrical plus 2 into, so both the 2 hemispheres, so 2 into 2 pi r square, 2 into 2 pi r square. So that will be, in terms of sentence, it will be curved surface of hemisphere. Here plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere. This will give curved surface of cylindrical is 2 pi r h. Then this is 2 into 2 pi r square. This will give you 2 pi r common, 2 pi r. So h will be remain. Here 2 pi r means 2 r will remain. So this will be 2 pi r into h plus 2 r. 2 into 22 by 7. So the given diameter is 5 mm. The diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. But if you take the radius only, so if you take radius, it will be 2.5. So 2.5. Height of the height here is the h is related to cylindrical. So height of the cylinder. So the total is 14, and this is 2.5. This is 2.5. So total 5. 14 plus 5 will give you 9. So 9 plus 2 into 2.5. So this will give you 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.5. 9 plus 2.2, 2.5 into 2 is 5. So 9 plus 5 is 14. 14. So if we cancel this one, the answer will remain 2 into 22 is 44. This is 44 into 5. So it will give you 220 meters square. So the area of the surface, the total surface area of the solid will be 220 meters square. So 2 pi r h plus 2 r, because here 2 I means 2 sides are hemisphere. So 2 sides 2 into CS of hemisphere. For CS of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r plus 2 pi r square, 4 pi r square. 2 pi r taken common. So h plus 2 r. This is mm. Okay, mm square. Fifth was then seventh one. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. So note that the base of the tent will not be covered with canvas. So a tent is in the shape of cylinder. So cylinder is in the cylinder. In this one, cylindrical surmounted by conical top. Conical top. So this will be top is there. So top will be conical top. So this is the cylinder. In that the given total height they given, see the slant height. So slant means L. So slant is 2.8 meter. So this is the slant. So this is L is equal to 2.8. And in the given the cylindrical part. So if the height of a cylindrical part, height means this one to here. So this is given 2.1 meter. Then diameter of the cylindrical part is this one. This is 4. This total is 4 meter. Total is 4 meter. So you have to find the surface area of the canvas, and for per meter square it is 500. So you have to calculate the total cost for the canvas. So total surface area will be curved surface area of cylindrical plus curved surface area of cone. So this will give you CS of cylindrical is 2 pi r h plus CS of a cone is pi r l. This will give 2 pi r. If we take common pi r, this will be 2h plus L. So 22 by 7 into r is, this is 4 meter, that is the diameter of the cylindrical part. So half will be half of that, so it will be 2. R will be 2, then 2 into h is this one 2.1 plus L is nothing but slant height, that is 2.8. So this will give you 22 by 7 into 2 into 2.1, so it will give 4.2. 4.2 plus 2.8, 4.2 plus 2.8 give you 7. So 7 get cancelled. So remaining is 44 meters square. So curved surface of the cone, then curved surface of the cylindrical part. So curved cylinder is 2 pi h, then this one pi l. So r, you know that one 2 centimeter, because it is cylindrical part is 4, so remaining will be 2 only. Then for by the calculation you got the 44 meter square. This you got the total surface area of the canvas. But they told find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. So for 1 meter square, it is 500. So total 44 will be 44 into 500. This will give you 22,000 rupees. So find the cost of the canvas will be rupees 22,000. Because 44 into, for 1 meter square it is 500. So for 44 meter square it will be 44 into 500, that will give 22,000 rupees. The next problem. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 cm and diameter 1.4 cm, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is allowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So, in this one, we given from a solid cylinder. Then from the solid cylinder, a conical cavity of the same height. So conical. So from here, conical. So conical, same height and same diameter is allowed out. So same is height of the cylinder is 2.4. Height of the cylinder is, this is 2.4 centimeter, and diameter of the cylinder is this total 1.4 centimeter. So height of the cylinder is 2.4 and the diameter of the cylinder is base of the cylinder is 1.4 centimeter. Then find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square if the conical cavity. So this is the conical cavity, this triangle shape, and this is the conical cavity that contains same height and same diameter. So here in this one, they given for all problems they given find the surface area, but they given find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So here total surface area will be area of base of cylinder plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. So this is conical cavity. So area of base of cylinder is pi r square plus curved surface area of cylinder is this one, that is 2 pi r h, plus curved surface area of cone is pi r l. So we have to find out this one L. So in this all are known values. Only you can take the like this pi r. If you take common, so r will remains here. 2h will remains because 2 pi r 2h will remains plus pi r is the l is there. So we know the h value. So h is nothing but height of the cylinder because it is related to cylindrical. So h will be 2.4 and then r is this is 1.4 centimeter means it is diameter. So half of that will be 0.7. The 0.7 will be 0.7 centimeter is equal to radius. You get the 0.7. This is radius. So you got the radius, height is 2.4 and then you have to find out the L. So L means for the conical. So it will be r square plus h square. R square plus h square. This will give you L is equal to r is 0.7. So 0.7 whole square plus h square. H is 2.4. 2.4 square. This will give you 0.7 square is 4.9. 0.7 to 0.7 is 4.9 plus 2.4 square is 5.76. 2.4 into 2.4 will be 5. So it will be 5.76. 5.76. This will give you 4.76. Okay. 4.7. 2.4. Okay. 5.76. This will give 9 plus 6 15. 4.9. Okay, two decimals are gone. So okay. This is 0.49. 0.49 plus 5.7 will give 6.25. So root of 625 is 25. So 6.25 will be 2.5 centimeter. We got the L as the 2.5 centimeter. In that you have to put the values. 22 by 7 into R is 0.7. Then into this is R. R is 2.7 plus 2 into 2.4 plus 2.5. So this will give you 22 by 7, 0.7 into 0.7. This is R. So 0.7. R is 0.7. 0.7 into 0.7 plus 2 into 2.4 plus 2.5. This will give you answer 17.6 centimeter square. 17.6 centimeter square. So in this problem, you have to take the area of the base of the cylinder. So because in remaining problems we were leaving this one. Area of, you are not including the area of base of cylinder, but they given here total surface area. So to find the total surface area, only surface area means you can neglect this one. If it is included by total surface area, then you have to area of base of cylinder is also added to the third surface area of cylinder. Last problem of this exercise, that is a wooden article it is given the figure 15.11, that is a wooden article was made by scooping out of a hemisphere. So this is the cylinder. In that hemisphere, then so a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere. So by scooping out hemisphere from each end of the cylinder. So each end means so this is the hemisphere. So from each end means this end and this end will be two. You will have two hemispheres. Then if the height of the cylinder, so height of the cylinder will be given 10 centimeter, and its base of radius of cylinder is 3.5 centimeter. This is 3.5 centimeter is the base radius. Radius is 3.5. So radius equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then find the total surface area of the article. So this is radius, then total surface area is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere, because we have two hemispheres. Because from each end one hemisphere is pooping out. So this will give you curved surface of cylinder is 2 pi h. Then this one 2 into 2 pi r square. So if you take 2 pi r for common, remaining h plus here 2r. So this will give you 2 into 22 by 7. The radius is 7 by 3.5. 3.5 you can write as 7 by 2, or you can write 3.5 only. Here h is 10 plus 2 into r is 3.5. This will give you 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 10 plus 3.5 into 2. So 3.5 double is 7. 7 plus 10 is 17. This is 17. 7 on the 7 5 are, so 0.5. So 22 into 4 is 2 is 44. 44 into 5 is 220. 220 into 1 point is there. So 22 into 17. So 22 into 17. 22 into 17 will give you answer 374 centimeters square. So after cancelling 7 3.5, you can write this 3.5 as 7 by 2 also, because 7 by 2 is nothing but 3.5. So your decimal will be simplification will be late. So for that purpose you can write 3.5 has 35 by 10 or 7 by 2, both are same. So if you get 3.5, so 7 into 0.5, then 10 into 2.3, 2 into 3.5 is, this is 7. 7 plus 10 is 10, 17. 17 into 22 will give the 374 centimeters square. So first exercise is completed. This is based on surface areas and volumes. It is based on first topic is on surface areas. Then the next topic will be volumes. So I will discuss in the next class. So who are seeing for the first time this my channel, so please subscribe my channel, and you can share it to 10th standard students who are studying because it is helpful for them. And I am covering the, and in this one I am covering the math subject. So please go to the problems, and because it's a little bit tougher than the remaining lessons. Only have to see the diagram and have to practice the formulas they are given in the that comes under surface areas and volumes. So thank you.